Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Among all this negativity that is there in the social media, maybe it be TikTok versus YouTube or the demise of Sushant Singh Rajput, may his soul rest in peace. His news was totally unexpected and shocked the whole world. Not only India, not only his fans, the whole world is shocked by his demise. He was a talented actor, and may his soul rest in peace. And here in the social media today is full of negativity. Wherever you just search, there's a video of TikTok versus YouTube or the exposing video. Every second video or third video is exposed. Anybody is exposing everyone. In West Bengal also few of the YouTubers, talented YouTubers got exposed. As I told you, Pio Bongai and Bostik Chele Pocha. By the way, Bostik Chele Pocha is an alumni of my college only. I think he's in the last year and they are doing a fabulous job. Maybe in different fields they are doing, maybe, but they are spreading happiness. I would like to say that just don't engage yourself into those negativity videos, negativity posts. In this pandemic of COVID-19, our mindset is also negative. If you want to overcome this negativity, you have to follow positive posts, positive comments, positive videos, not just engage into those negative videos of TikTok versus YouTube, expose of Karan Johar, expose of Ekta Kapoor. That is nothing to do with your life. This news will be silent after 2 to 3 days. The major negativity of Indian crowd is, what do you know? Indian crowd forgets easily. After 3 to 4 days, you will go to the movie hall after it opens after the lockdown. You will go to one and watch Harma production movies. You will again watch a music video by Faizusi07. You will again watch a music video of it. So, what was all the effort that you are exposing, you are protesting, you are boycotting? That we have to do. You should mind your own business and engage ourselves in positive facts, positive videos, because in this COVID-19 affected everyone in economy, in lifestyle, in health. So just to overcome this, you should stay away from this video. This was a short. I don't know how I could explain. Just my main motto was to say you just to stay away from all this negativity in this world and stay positive. Our mind easily gets diverted to the negativity in these days because we have nothing to do in the home. So we keep on scrolling and watching those videos. So this was a tip for me. The main motto, as I told, was to help you stay away from the negativity. Now going back to the topic of today's video, I will be going to Decathlon. Yeah, I will be buying something to keep myself fit, and I'll also show you if I am allowed to vlog inside, because I am allowed to vlog. I have also made a video of Decathlon. The link is in the I button or something here or there. So now let's go and check it out, and I will show you all the available stuff in Decathlon in this pandemic, and hope everyone is doing great. And now let's go back to video. Now I have to sort out how to go because I am avoiding. It is just 4 kilometers away from my home. I was thinking to have a walk, but it is still sunny, but slightly you can see the clouds over here and a beautiful background. Now let's see what to do. Now let's go. Let's not waste much time. I have to go back. I have to go there and come back before the sun starts. Okay, so follow me to my journey means whatever, to Decathlon. So I booked an Ola bike. That was the cheapest option I had. So I have to take precaution. I am all masked up, as you can see, and mask is essential. And I also carried a sanitizer in my bag. So right now I have arrived here. It took me around 8 to 10 minutes. Now let's go inside Decathlon. So here I am inside Decathlon. Now this is the Salt Lake Decathlon, and I have to go to the first floor. There is a cycle, and here you can see there are many items. Let's go. Here you can see all the items here. This is also a huge store, like Udubiri Howrah. So this is what I actually came here for. I'm getting a bicycle for myself. This is the model I'm taking. This is the picture. This is the cheapest option available. I'm taking the last size. It is going to be get ready, and I am installing two accessories. I am actually installing two accessories. That is stand and bell. That is the two essential accessories that you need. And this accessories I will install later on, because basically I'm taking this cycle for my fitness, and just to go for marketing here and there. I have to always take the car, because uh, that is the only option, because in my locality all are quite far away from my home, so I have to take the car also. So this, by taking this cycle, this will be an easy option, and lots of fuel will also be saved. And if I also go out, my father also have to take the car. That's why I chose to take a cycle. Basically, I was planning to take the cycle for a very long time, around 1 year ago. But since I was shifting out of Calcutta, but now actually for 2 to 3 months I'm staying here only. So 2 to 3 months I will be using the cycle, and I'll show you all the details of the cycle as I go out, because it's quite, I feel uncomfortable logging inside, because it's quite a silent place and feels very awkward also. And I'll show you after the cycle gets installed with those two accessories. These are all the available items that you could get to buy here, and these are the helmets while skating. These are the skating shoes. These are all the skating shoes. There is a scooty type. कोई मिल गया वाला scooty. I was banned when I was a child. I used to have one, and these areas are quite good, as you can see. But my areas was quite sharp, and I used to get my feet cut every second day. And there is also shoe women collection there also. There are military pin shirts also. There is socks also. What you want, you will get everything over here. Related to sports item, daily needs item. There is a bag also, quite cheap also. Here is a table tennis board you can play here. No, people are not playing here due to COVID. Here also you can see what more do you want in a store. Full of items, t-shirts, shoes. Shoes are very comfortable also. So finally I'm out of the Decathlon showroom, and the cycle is behind me. I'll give you what was the cost of the cycle, what was the cost of the accessories. I'll give you a short knowledge about it. And I have cycling after so long, and my pulse rate is slowly increasing. Actually this I rode about around 600-700 meters, and I rode it very fast. That's why, the enthusiasm of buying a new cycle. Now I'll give a quick video of the cycle. So in 3, 2, 1. So hope you all liked the video. I am not pro at it, so I tried my best to record at 240 fps. And I'll now give you the details of the about the price of the cycle, the price of the accessories. 5999. It cost me 4499. That is around 4500. I installed a side stand. It cost me around 500 or some 500 600. And this is the bill. It cost me around 300. And this is all. The cycle comes naked only. You don't have any extra parts on it. And these are all inbuilt. These are all inbuilt in the cycle, the reflectors. And here is this. This is the basic one. First impression, it looks so cool. The color white is my favorite, other than black. So it attracts the public very much because everything white, glossy white you can see. But I will know if I ride every day, the color will get a bit dimmed. So here it is, 60-degree view of the cycle. Now I will go to my home and sanitize myself. But Decathlon is maintaining a good sanitization policy. They are sanitizing every goods. Actually, I had to pay online. They are not taking any cash card. I have to pay through Decathlon online app only. And that is all. So hope you all like this video. And don't forget to subscribe. And as I said at first, do keep yourself away from negativity, because negativity is everywhere. And find a positivity in everything. Try to look the negative things in a positive way. That only can keep yourself motivated in this pandemic. And hope this pandemic, COVID-19, slows down quickly as early as possible. And hope everyone will keep yourself safe in this pandemic. Till then, bye, and don't forget to subscribe.